Affectionate and prayerful greetings to the students, researchers, and global citizens of JS Smart Academy and the Research Center. I am Sister Mary Sebastian. I am privileged to connect with this vibrant community led by our dedicated and an endearing former colleagues who is now bringing education to life through English on Wheels. As I look at this academy, I see a truly global classroom where knowledge explosion takes place, where everyone feels they are part and parcel of this JS Academy, in which, wherever you are, in whichever part you may be, I highly appreciate this new venture, an excellent idea indeed, which is started by a colleague of mine who is also an excellent visionary. I wish her my heartiest congrats and successful beginning as she undertakes this journey to the global classroom. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, a profound truth where the entire world is one family. Here in this academy, you are not just learning a language, but you are building bridges using the English language as a tool where everyone understands each other and where ideas are shared. A word to the English International Youth Club. Remember that your research and your words have the power to create a true family, a world that is united together. Dear friends, continue to explore, continue to seek and search knowledge and treat the world as your home and its people as your kin. I wish JS Academy and all its students across the global world a very success. My prayers and blessings will accompany you all.